Imagine an automotive industry where quality meets cost-effectiveness at every turn. It's a tightrope walk, isn't it? Balancing the demands for high-quality products from original equipment manufacturers while keeping costs competitive. This is the challenge faced by the automotive supplier industry. In this intricate dance, one misstep can lead to significant repercussions. Now, let's dive into the world of lean management, a concept birthed from the idea of reducing waste, improving efficiency, and enhancing quality. Lean management thrives on standardizing processes and empowering those who are at the front line of operations. On the other side of the spectrum, we have quality management systems. These are designed with a sole purpose: to ensure consistent quality and compliance with regulatory standards. At first glance, these two might seem like distinct systems with different end goals. But what if we could merge the two? Enter the Lean Quality Management System, or LQMS. It takes the best of both worlds, creating a more agile and flexible management system. This unique blend allows organizations to adapt quickly to ever-changing market conditions and customer needs. The LQMS borrows the structured problem-solving approach from lean management, adding daily huddles and rapid cycle plan-do-study-act quality improvement cycles. It also incorporates visual management tools to track progress and identify areas for improvement. So, what does implementing an LQMS mean for an organization? For starters, efficiency gets a significant boost. Waste reduction and improved processes lead to increased productivity. Quality is enhanced through standardized processes and continuous improvement. There's also a significant cost-saving aspect, but perhaps most importantly, the system increases employee acceptance. By empowering frontline workers and involving them in improvement processes, there's higher employee engagement and acceptance. To wrap it up, the Lean Quality Management System is an integrated approach that combines the principles of lean management and quality management systems. It's a system that offers improved efficiency, quality, and cost-effectiveness. By bridging the gap between the two approaches, organizations can enjoy a more agile and adaptive management system. This system is perfectly suited to navigate the ever-changing market conditions and customer needs in the automotive industry.